Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video we are going to see how to add WhatsApp chat button on your website. So after watching this video you will be able to know how to add WhatsApp chat button on your website. It's going to be step by step and easy. Now let's get started. I am Abrazak from fastnowas.com. Now let's start adding WhatsApp chat button on our website. This is the website that we are going to add WhatsApp chat buttons on. So after watching this video you will know how to add WhatsApp button right here like this, and the process on how we can do to achieve that, we are going to do it now. First of all, you log into your WordPress dashboard. Then you click plugin, click add new plugin. Now search for WordPress chat app, click enter, click install now button, click activate button. The plugin was now being successfully installed and activated. Click on WhatsApp button here. Click add new account. Now enter your WhatsApp number with country code in which you want people to contact you with. Okay, title WhatsApp, enter predefined text here, hello. Now click publish button. Yes, successfully the WhatsApp chat button was being added on your WordPress website. You can see it here from the admin dashboard. It has appeared. This is it. Now let's go to your website and check it. Success, the WhatsApp chat button was being added on your website. This is it. For example, if you are a visitor that is visiting your website now, you click this chat button, this WhatsApp chat button. Now you can see, and once they click it, they will be redirected to chat with you on WhatsApp. If they have WhatsApp application on their device, then they will continue to chat. This is the download button, and this is your WhatsApp number that you added earlier. You can download. This is how to add WhatsApp chat button on your WordPress website. First of all, you install a plugin. If you know that this video has helped you, please give it a like, share it with your friends. Has this video helped you know how to add WhatsApp chat button on your website? Please comment with it via the comment section. I will follow up with you. Thank you for watching.